You can see this is thermometer. In this thermometer, the liquid we are using is red color, and there is this bulb, and the bulb is showing this red color liquid, and you can see it is rising up till here, and it is showing around 32 degrees Celsius right now. Okay, it is showing around 32 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to insert it in this liquid, and this calorimeter contains the liquid which is at a high temperature. Now as soon as I insert it, I will fix it in this manner. You can see the mercury level is rising, or that temperature is rising for this particular thing. You can see it has come up till here around 80 degrees. It is going further higher and higher. Okay, so I'll fix it so that it holds it. You can see it is here right now. Currently temperature is here. Okay, now it is somewhere around, if we can see it properly, it is around, this is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, around 87.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, now it will start dropping after some time, and it will drop to, say for example, this is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So I'll wait till 85 degree so that I am completely satisfied that the temperature is now starting to fall. This is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. I am waiting up till it comes here. I hope you can see it clearly. This is 85 degrees Celsius. You can see it is coming down, and I am looking for, I will better show it with this. It is around 85 degrees Celsius, somewhere here. You have to keep your eye at the level. Now you can see it has come to 85 degrees Celsius. It is just around at 85 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now what I will do, I will switch on this stopwatch. And you can see the stopwatch starts ticking. The stopwatch is starting to tick. Okay. And when it completes one rotation, I will take the next reading. So it is 15 seconds now. Okay, and this is the minute hand which will move after one particular rotation, one complete rotation. So it is 30 seconds, and in the meantime also keep a watch on this, on the reading where it is coming. So it is going right now 40, it is approaching 40, then going further up 45 seconds have gone by, then 50 seconds has gone by. Now it is coming to around 55 seconds. So once it comes to 55 seconds, I'll start looking for what is the reading here. You can see the reading here is, I hope it is clear to you. It is not visible very properly. Anyway, it is not very clear. It is around 82. I hope I can show it to you. It is not very clear. It is around 82 degrees. So I'll write down here, after the first minute it is at 82 degrees. Okay? So this will be 82 degrees after the first minute. And I will not touch this. And you can see it is going down. Still it continues to move. And it has come to around 40, 45. And temperature is still falling around 50. So we are now in the second minute. You can see here black, it has come to second minute now. It is coming to 55. Again I will see here, and looking at this value, it is showing around 81 now. So it is showing me 81 degrees Celsius. This is in degrees Celsius. It was 82, now it is 81. Okay? And this is how you have to note down after every 1 minute. Okay, then again looking at this, you can see the stopwatch is ticking. It has crossed 20 seconds, then 25 seconds, and you can see the black one, that is the minute hand, which will show you the reading that how many minutes have gone by. So we are crossing the 30 second mark, and this is, you can see here, it is showing around 2 minutes have passed. So as soon as it comes to 55, I will start looking for the mercury column. Okay? तो उससे क्या होगा कि आई विल एट व्हेन इट इज़ एट 60 सेकेंड आई विल प्रॉपरली सी एग्जैक्टली सी व्हाट इज़ द रीडिंग. तो जैसे ही 55 पे आए वी विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर द मर्कुरी कॉलम हियर. It has come to 55. I will start looking here what is the value, and it has come down beyond, it has come to below 80. I don't know whether it is clear for you. It has come to around 78. So I can check 60 पे 78 था. So I will note down that as 78. It was 78 degrees Celsius after the 3rd minute. Then again going like this. I hope you can see the mercury falling down. Okay, it has come below 80. You can see over there. In the meantime, the stopwatch is crossing 55. So I'll look for here. It is somewhere here, and it is showing me around 70. Yeah, 79, 78, 77. It is showing around 77 degree. 77 degree. Yeah. So I'll write down this as 77 degrees Celsius now. You can see it is not uniform. It was 82, then 81, 1 degree difference. Then here it is showing around 3 degree difference. Here it is showing 1 degree difference. So this may not be completely uniform. It may vary little up and down. So whatever reading we are getting, we have to note down these readings, and you have to take around 20 to 30 readings. Okay, around 20 readings or 30 readings. I'll be taking 30 readings over here, but you can, depends on whatever we will tell you, you will take on 20 readings or 30 readings. वो लिखना है, और उसके बाद you have to plot the graph. About the graph I'll tell you later. But this is how you just note down the reading. So as soon as the stopwatch crosses 55, take the reading and note it down. तो main experiment में यही करना है. You will have to note down the readings after every 1 minute. Okay. So again you can see it is crossing around 60, and the reading is somewhere here. It is around 75 now. So I'll note down this as 75 degree. The degree Celsius I already written over here. I just mentioned 75.